Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the common problem on Maytag and Whirlpool Kenmoore washers. Hi, in today's I'm gonna show you how I fix and replace this valve because there's a little leak. So a couple of months ago I started to see very weird thing that if you have a water accumulating in this area even though your washer is not working, so what happens is you have a switch over here that opens the water and it just does not work properly after about 10 years. So very easy solution is just to replace it. Be careful when you do it. First thing you have to do, make sure that you need to disconnect the power because there's low voltage going over here. On the bottom of the video I'm gonna give you a description to where I bought it. I think it was about $30. If you want to buy it on original website, it's gonna cost you probably more than $100. So this has already been installed for about a month and does work properly. Basically what you need to do is to pay attention when you order it to make sure that you're getting the right size and the right type. Why? Because here I have a cold water coming in, so you have one inlet and you have two outlets. There are also sensors that look like this or they go to the side. So they have a little bit different designs. This one is for Maytag and for Kenmoore washer and Whirlpool washer, and there is a specific symbol model which I'm going to also give you on the bottom. All you need to do is just remove the clamps, pull those connectors, make sure that you know which one goes where. So blue goes over here, white one goes over here. Don't turn it over also, and all you have to do is just replace it, and this solved the problem. What I had to do before is basically I had to go and shut the water off to prevent the water from accumulating. Now after replacing those I don't have this problem anymore. So easy fix, about $30 fix if you have a water accumulating in your washer, and this solved the problem. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.